Exploring the entire production process of electromagnetic locks. Part 13. Assembly of electromagnetic lock. Before assembling aluminum parts, we will first check whether the surface drawing treatment of aluminum profiles is in place, so as to eliminate defective products. The single electromagnetic lock first fixes the installation head, then assembles and installs the aluminum bar, and then assembles the circuit board after putting the magnet. One-piece electromagnetic lock needs to be pasted with insulating film at the designated position before assembling the circuit board. Fix the aluminum stopper with screws, assemble the magnet, and finally install the aluminum bar.